Bam! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another salsa episode. I want to turn you into a salsa ninja, so grab your dance shoes ready. Today we have a salsa pattern for beginners. This is a simple salsa move that you're going to be able to grab this move, start dancing immediately. So get excited, get your dance shoes ready, and subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. All right, guys, we got a simple move for beginners. Let's jump right into it. This is a pattern. This is one of the most common patterns I have seen people use. You're gonna enjoy it. Let's go right into it. Basic step first, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'm gonna give her a left turn. So my hand, I bring it up really close to her forehead on 3. 1, 2, 3, she's gonna do a turn, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, I catch her into a crossbody lead. Let's do it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, girls, for you, notice how she brought up that hand on 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, to make herself available so I can catch her. I'll do it one more time from the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, we go into the crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And to finish it off, I give a right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So on 3, I give her a left turn. 3, 5, 6, 7. Catch her crossbody lead. 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Catch her crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, so that's an easy pattern for beginners. Once you learn how to do that, you can switch up the order so you can easily go into right turn, catch her, cross by the lead, 5, 6, 7, and finish it off with a a left turn, and start over with a right turn and do it all over again. So you don't have to put the patterns that I'm teaching you in the exact same order that I am teaching you. These are just examples to get you more comfortable with the moves. That way you can go ahead, take the moves and create your own thing, and you could have the freedom to do whatever you want to do on the dance floor, and you can go out and enjoy yourself dancing with everyone, okay? Thank you guys so much for listening. Let's do it now with music. One, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Catch 7. Lead her. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 2, 3, 5, 6. One last time. 1, 2, 3. Catch her. Girls, hands up. Lead her across. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Bam! Well done for making it all the way to the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the pattern. I hope you practice it. I hope you apply it out on the dance floor. And then when people ask you, hey, where are those sweet moves coming from? Tell them that you're a salsa ninja because you're here at this YouTube channel. Send them over this way and subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. See you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.